Are you going through yet another bout of depression and wondering why is this happening to me when I've been doing so much inner work with myself? Well, we do all that work with the assumption and with that forceful wish that I will never go through this again. But we forget that it is to be human, to be sad, to be depressed, to go through all the ups and downs, even when it is a diagnosed depression even. So it is very natural and very human for us to go through what we call depression today, and even thoughts of killing ourselves perhaps, thoughts of dying. But we have to remember that our progression is not linear, it is cyclical, it comes in waves, and we need to remember that it is work in progress. And we have this in mythology, I think, to give us the kind of inspiration or the kind of solace for us when we see even exalted beings wanting to commit suicide. It is there in the Ramayana about how Hanuman wanted to commit suicide at some point. Rama thinks of committing suicide at some point when he's yearning for Sita after she's kidnapped. Please start a daily acknowledgement journal where you put down how is it that you've progressed on that particular day, and something that you can refer back to on a day that you're feeling low.